Ooh. Oh yeah. That was a one-wheel peel.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Damn it, Bobby.
That was a posi traction. Hurt my butt.
Cigarette?
Smoker's cough. I don't have COVID.
You don't have COVID?
Nope. Been there, done that.
SPS.
That poop on.
Shit, poop, shit.
Smell my piss.
Oh my ass.
Smell my ass. It might smell good. I pooped. I'm gonna get you, you son of a bitch. Let's go find where that.
Oh yeah.
Stupid people that maintain it. Retards. Ow. Shit. There goes. Ty's going home.
Ty's going home.
Yep. Wesley's dropping him off. Uh-oh, Ty's gonna be drunk. Your gas station sucks ass.
Your gas station sucks ass.
And it smells like piss.
Oh my god. Run it.